Welcome to the BLKO for YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about responsive UI and how to use it with components and animations. In subsequent videos, we will show the animated UI and the responsive UI for it. Let's begin the session by looking at already created designs with responsive UI. As you can see, I constructed an example with a responsive user interface. It will work in all directions and will be put in an ideal configuration. You can see that it works in an excellent design. Let's create a new project called Responsive UI. Alter the background, and we can use the MacBook Air frame with 20 rounded edges, and allow us to input the photographs. I have already downloaded 3 photographs related to the gym, because we will be viewing a website based on a gym website. This website allows us to access all of the gym's merchandise, supplements, appointment scheduling, training, and all let us adjust the photographs based on our selection and requirements, and allow us to frame all 3 images in the MacBook Air. We must lessen the filling by lowering the opacity of the photos. The first image should be 30, the second image should be 50, and the final image should be 30 again. Insert another frame within the MacBook Air with filled in white text. Adjust the frame size as if the menu bar were merely the navigation bar. Let us add another component here for the text. Write home and adjust the size. We should design an auto layout and a frame for it. After that, we should create this fantastic component and then add a variant for that component. We should raise the variant size and color, and for both, we should use a bold font to make it stand out on the site. Let us place the assistance on the website. It is a MacBook Air 1. And we should copy and paste as much as we need to rewrite the name in it, such as the webpage, training schedule, contact information, or anything else. Let us include it in the home, training, contact, schedule, and change the size of them within the frame. We can see exactly where and how it was placed. Let's put the same thing here. The frame for the 6 conferences should be located within the frame, because it was inside the navigation bar. We need create a new frame for all the components and alter their size within it. And we need to place them perfectly so that they don't interfere with the UI adjustment. So the gap between all of the components should be the same based on the size of the text. And the image in the center of the frame isn't perfectly aligned. So we can change the image inside the MacBook Air frame. Now that we can see it was beneficial for the UI, we need copy and paste the images above the viewer's frame so that they appear good when changing. Let's move it for now, and we'll make another frame in here for the More Options category. We should add a frame and smooth the edges. Then copy and paste another frame using the same arrangement to create a smooth frame. We should insert photos into both frames and alter the frame size accordingly. We can see that it was precisely balanced within the frame. The board appears to be in good condition. Thus, we will take the same item and pasting inside the category box. Write the name as the book year slot and center the image and text. Let's repeat the technique for the other photograph. Also, we can see how it was built and balanced. Let's see them. We need to center detection. The image should be completely balanced. Let us see how it looks. You can view the image. How will look in the MacBook Let's frame frames 1 and 2 so we may combine them into a single option. We should travel outside of the MacBook Air frame, select the frame, convert it to a component, and add a variant for it. In the first frame, we should move the category frame. If we uncheck the clip's content, we could see where it was located. Let us move both the content and the prototype. After a delay, we'd like to change it to 3 mm so it arrives quickly and gently. We need to modify it to 800 mm in assist. There will be components. And we must take them and place them precisely within the MacBook Air. Let us view it here. We can see it was cleverly animated. This is what this clever animation means. This is a basic step animation. Let's define a property for the home text. Also, the prototype should hover. Check the second menu bar once more and make any necessary changes. As previously said, we would like to copy and paste the image above NetOutlook's navigation bar. We want to repeat this process again for the left and right images. And we want to make the navigation text a little wider so that it moves around as smoothly as possible while animating. It'll look great on a CD prototype. We can see that it is animating smoothly. Let's check again. The home frame should be located within the main navigation frame. Let's take another look. It's a monthly animation. Let's look at the responsive UI. The responsive method will no longer be used, but it should be relocated anytime the screen size changes. The material should be modified accordingly. We need to change all of the frames, and based on that, in the constraints section, as left and right. The image should be in the center, and the frame should be in the upper left and right. Inside the frame, another frame for the home training schedule and contact should be in the center, with the category frames on the left and right sides. He checked and it was not working. Let's try again. If we alter both the MacBook and the variation as well as the default, the response will be flawless in all of the regions where UI is now functioning. All the responses are positive. Let us see again. How does the UI work? Let us load once more. The prototypes are good. Let's check again. It works well, the smart animation works flawlessly, and the user interface looks great. Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you appreciated and found this video useful, please subscribe using the button below. Subscribing will keep you up to date on all of our latest material and allow you to be a part of our amazing community. Your support means everything to us, and we can't wait to share more amazing videos with you. So go ahead, subscribe, and let's continue this journey together.